Hotbird 13C. Hotbird 13C, formerly Hotbird 9, is a communications satellite operated by Eutelsat, launched 20 December 2008 aboard an Ariane 5 ECA carrier rocket along with the Eutelsat W2M spacecraft. It was built by EADS Astrium based on a Eurostar E3000 satellite bus. It was positioned in geosynchronous orbit at 13 degE. After in-orbit testing, it will provide communications services to Asia, Europe, Americas, North Africa, and the Middle East, with 64 NATO J-band Ku band transponders. The satellite has a mass of 4,880 kilograms and an expected service life of 15 years. It is identical to the Hotbird 8 and Hotbird 10 satellites.